Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Creating Pandas Data Frames from Zipped Iterables in Python. Introduction. The zip function in Python is a powerful tool for combining multiple iterables element-wise into tuples. When working with data, you may encounter scenarios where you have two or more lists or arrays that you want to merge into a pandas data frame. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the zip function to achieve this and convert the combined data into a pandas data frame. Prerequisites. Before you proceed with this tutorial, make sure you have Python and pandas installed on your system. You can install pandas using the following command. Step 1. Import the required libraries. Start by importing the pandas library, which we'll use to create the data frame. Step 2. Create sample data. For demonstration purposes, let's create two lists containing sample data that we want to combine into a data frame. Step 3. Use the zip function to combine data. Now, use the zip function to merge the two lists element-wise into tuples. Step 4. Convert the zip data to a pandas data frame. With the zip data, you can easily convert it into a pandas data frame using the PD data frame constructor. Step 5. Display the data frame. Print the resulting data frame to see the merged data. Complete code example. Output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to use the zip function to combine iterables element-wise and create a pandas data frame from the merged data. This technique is useful when you have multiple lists or arrays that you want to organize into a structured tabular format for further analysis or visualization. ChatGPT.